In the next step, we're going to connect these tub valves to our tub classic over here. Now again, if you have a barrel or deluxe, your container will look a little bit different. So we want this to be facing this way, the filtration system. So I'm going to start threading them in facing the opposite way. And you're simply going to gently push down. And once it catches threads, just rotate it. Make sure not to cross thread. So right now it's already tight. So I'm going to just do little turns because again, ultimately I want this to be facing, this top one should be facing a little bit up, right? Because it's facing this connection here. Okay, and then the bottom one, we want it to be as straight as possible. Again, just line it up, start turning it. Try not to cross thread. If you're cross threading something, just pull it out and try again. But essentially, voila, it should look very similar to this.